Welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel, Israel. Hey, before we get started here, a big shout out to the 20 people who watched this video yesterday. Thank you so much for those views. I appreciate every one of you guys and gals who did watch the video yesterday. Of course, the request for today is always the same. Subscribe, like, click on that share button, and share the video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also, as you say, copy and paste the link to the video into an email text message and share the good news with your friends and family today. Okay. Now, here's the thing. Let's do some more. Let's do some new math. If we had 20 views on the 22nd, and you each invite one person, that means we're going to have 40 views today. Okay. That's just a modest goal because I know there's more than 10 people in Israel who's interested in the COVID-19 situation. Okay. Okay, so let's come over here, run a report. Now, Israel has been seeing an increase in some daily cases. So we'll see if that's a trend or if that's simply a speed bump. Okay. So Israel has 856,936, like 936 cases, 6,457 deaths, slight decrease in mortality rate. Okay, here's the trend that some people are worried about. 1,434 cases on July the 22nd. For the 7-day period in July 19th, you were averaging 1,101 cases, which is a considerable drop from down here. But you know what? It's going to be difficult to keep the numbers this low. Okay, because somebody, it's like the flu. Someone's going to get the flu this year. Okay, but here's the good news. Look at these deaths. Okay, for July 26th, you only had 3 deaths. For the period ending 7-day period ending 7/18, you had 1.8 deaths. So my friends, the question remains to see: is this going to translate into an increase in deaths, or is a vaccine going to prevent those people from dying from COVID-19? That's going to be interesting. I'm betting on the I'm betting on 2 things. I'm betting on God's mercy and the vaccine. Okay, but you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a 5-week spike in COVID-19 cases. But look at these nice low numbers here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, back over into here. All right, well, nonetheless, look at the monthly cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 6 months in a row when the monthly cases are below this number here. What about deaths? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months in a row when the monthly deaths were below this number right here. So the news overall is still pretty good. I mean, yeah, you're seeing this. You are seeing a increase in cases, but that could just be an anomaly. That could be a reporting anomaly. Maybe they went back and adjusted some numbers. Maybe they found some missing cases for those days and went and added them back in. We don't really know. But what's important is the COVID-19 deaths are remaining very low. And Washington University's Institute for Health Metrics and Education says the single best measure, again, the single best measure of the spread of a pandemic is daily deaths. And your daily deaths numbers are remaining very low. Okay, before I let you go, subscribe, like, most important of all, don't forget to click on that share button, share the video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also share the good news by copying and pasting the link into an email or text message and share it with your friends and family that way. Thanks so much, Israel. We'll catch you Sunday with an updated report.